Hi guys, good evening. This is Shella for Sunny Cut and Glow. So today, since I'm finally home, I'm just gonna do a very brief video because I received a couple of messages from clients asking, same questions. Ma'am, magkano po ang magpa-organic natural sa inyo? Okay? So, that's very interesting and I'm so excited na masasagot ko to sa inyo ngayon. And ito yung sagot ko na. Okay? So, our natural, organic, it doesn't matter kung ito yung gagamitin nating variant, yung royal blend or yung black or yung diamond. It doesn't matter. Depende po sa kailangan ng buhok nyo. Of course, we need to assess the hair. Okay? We need to see what's needed because we cannot just stick to one variant if we need more. Sometimes we use two variants para ma-achieve yung goal ng hair. Okay? When it comes to pricing, pag organic talagang mahal po. Pag organic, pag-ipunan nyo na. Kasi this is like one of the high-end product that we have at the shop. And I cannot compromise it because the product itself is giving. Okay? So, to reveal yung pricing natin based on our location then is pag shoulder length, yet minimum shoulder length, at kahit hanggang dito yung buhok nyo, it doesn't matter kahit boys cut pa kayo, magpa-natural kayo, shoulder length, it's 3,500. Lower than that up to here, it's 4,000 to 4,500. When you reach the brow length, it will range 5,000 to 6,000 depending on the thickness of your hair. You have to consider that we will be ending, using more formulation and using more product on your hair when it's longer. So, pag nandito na kayo sa brow length, ang buhok nyo, you need at least 5,000 to 6,000 on hand. Now, yung buhok ko is lampas ng brow length. My hair, more likely 7,000 to 8,000 itong haba ng buhok ko. Okay, ba't ang mahal? I'm telling you, it sounds expensive, but it lessened the trip to the salon. Unlike going to get, like, let's say Botox, getting some treatments that for the fact that 3 to 4 months you're back to the salon to get it done again. Organic, natural, it lasts longer. As long as you conditions your hair, you use hair mask to at least prolong the treatment, the effect of the treatment to your hair. As long as you know how to really take care of your hair, talaga pong effective siya. At it's a same day wash, so when you leave the salon, you know what to expect the next day when you go to the shower and after bath. Yun na yun. Like, when you step out of the salon, the hair that you have, that's what you expect the next day and so on. So I know it really sounds expensive, but it's worth it. It's worth it. And I'm telling everybody na okay lang na pag-ipunan, okay lang na medyo ma-delay, pero kung ang pag-iipunan naman worth it, why not? If you do have any other questions about the natural organic, do not hesitate to call me or DM me on my personal account on Facebook, Shella Crone, and I will definitely reach out to you and or call you or whatever makes it easier for you. So just visit us, or might as well schedule your appointment with us very soon. That's it. Have a great day. Thank you.